Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's D Jordan Simone. Happy Hispanic Heritage Month. I'm back with another recipe because the Arroz con Pollo video did so well. 2,000 views. Thank you so much. Today we're making fried fish, arroz con coco, and platanos. We went to our local market to get fresh striped bass for the fillet pieces and a whole red snapper for the demonstration. We also decided to use fresh coconut because this is how my mom was raised, making it for Sunday dinner in Panama. So you need your coconut, your plantain, and your favorite seasonings. Now that we have fresh coconut water, we're going to take the inside of our coconut, get that out of there with a knife, and then head over to the blender with the pieces of coconut and the coconut water to make our coconut milk. Get a strainer and pour your coconut milk over your pot of rice. Unfortunately, I do not have measurements for you guys because my mom is not the measuring type. Finally, take all of these coconut pieces and get every last drop of coconut milk out. I will be using coconut milk from the can moving forward. This is a little bit too authentic for me. Alright, this is what your pot should look like. You can add more or less coconut water to taste, or depending on how you like the texture of your rice. Alright, now that the arroz is cooking, we're going to take our fish that has been marinating in our seasoning since yesterday and get started. I named my fish Rasputia, so take Rasputia and drop her slowly into the oil. Peel and cut your patacon into medium-sized circles. And y'all, let me know if you guys call them patacon or tostones or plantain when ordering from Latin restaurants, because I never communicate with them and they always bring the wrong thing. Anyways, we're going to lightly salt and pepper them before putting them into the oil. When your oil is hot, we are going to begin to fry our patacon, but not for too long because we do take them out and fry them again. So make sure your oil is not too hot. It would really suck to burn them during the first fry. When you take them out of the oil, they should look something like this, nice and golden. Wash and use the nearest jar you have to smash them and prepare to fry again. I think they actually sell a kitchen tool that will make this smashing much easier, but we're keeping it original around here. Ain't nobody got time for that. Mi gente, I did it. I mean, just look at the patacon, the arroz, the pescado. Everything tastes delicious. Chef's kiss. I would say this meal took about 30 to 40 minutes if you subtract the time it took to fight with the coconut. So yeah, let me know what other recipes y'all want to see. I feel like I got a whole gang of new cousins through YouTube because of the last video. November 3rd is coming up. You know, that's Independence Day. So I definitely got to go up on the channel for that. And please like, comment, and share this video with your prima. Put it on WhatsApp, Facebook, and send it to your non-cooking cousin. Until next time, bye.